In this tutorial, I will show you how to add subtitles in Canva for free. First, open Canva and go to your video project. Make sure your video is added to the timeline. Now go to the text tab and click on Add a heading. Type your first subtitle line and place it at the bottom of the video. Adjust the font, size and color to make it easy to read. Now play your video and find where the first subtitle should end. Split the timeline at that point. Go to the next section and add a new text box with the next subtitle line. Repeat this process for all subtitle lines. Make sure each subtitle matches the timing of your video. You can also add simple animations like fade if needed. Once you're done, click on Share and then Download. Choose MP4 format to export your video. That is how you add subtitles in Canva for free.